Hi everyone, welcome to the 199th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Riya, Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, 6th semester anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Global Reach, your preferred overseas education advisor. The headlines this week: faculty members attend whole person education workshop. Lecture highlights consequences of work-life pressure. ISDC brings advanced BCom and BBA courses starting 2025 to 26. Everest climber graces annual sports meet. Students gain insight from IAS officer at Youth India event. Photo of the week. The news in detail. Siliguri faculty members attend whole person education workshop. Priti Baxla, Department of Mathematics 6th semester reports.
The Leadership and Faculty Development programs jointly organized by United Board for Christian Higher Education in Asia and St. Anthony's College Shillong took place from 5th to 7th February 2025 at Siliguri Center, Shillong, Meghalaya. The programs focused on purpose-driven leadership and whole-person education, fostering innovation and collaboration in higher education. 8 faculty members from Salesian College Siliguri and Sonada, Dr. Terence Mukhya, Mr. Anirban Ghosh, Mr. Ravi Bhushan Singh, Mr. Manish Sharma, Sister Pascalina Lepcha, Ms. Sunita Sherpa, Ms. Salini Agarwal, and Ms. Ragini Chetri actively participated in discussions like strategic planning, team building, digital transformation, teaching as vocation and a calling. Sessions featured leadership development by Dr. Parina G. Lawrence, whole person education implementation by Dr. Hope Anthony, and technology enhancement learning by Mr. Christian Ong. Dr. Anita Thifangan's session on person-centered leadership along with interactive reflections and a cultural exhibition enriched the experience. The program ended with certification promoting holistic education and leadership, followed by a Salesian faculty trip to Shillong before returning to Siliguri.
Priti Baxla reporting. Siliguri. Lecture highlights consequences of work-life pressure. Shivangi Pradhan, BBA 4th semester reports.
The Department of Management Studies, Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri, organized Tata Memorial Guest Lecture on work-life pressure and consequences of stress, a study. The invited speaker for the lecture was Professor Dr. Debavrata Mitra, Department of Commerce, University of North Bengal. The lecture delved into the increasing work-life pressures faced by employees in today's fast-paced work environment. Professor Mitra highlighted how prolonged stress affects physical and mental health, leading to burnout, anxiety, and depression. The session discussed various contributing factors to stress, including long working hours, lack of work-life balance, and insufficient organizational support. Professor Mitra also presented findings from recent studies emphasizing the correlation between high stress levels and decreased productivity, as well as the negative impact on personal relationships. The lecture concluded with practical strategies for managing stress, such as mindfulness, time management, and seeking professional help when necessary. Overall, it was an insightful session that encouraged faculty members and students to recognize the importance of mental well-being in the workplace.
Shivangi Pradhan reporting. Siliguri. ISDC brings advanced BCom and BBA courses starting 2025 to 26. Singh, Department of Commerce, 4th semester reports.
In a landmark decision, Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri signed a Memorandum of Understanding with International Skill Development Corporation on 7th February 2025. ISDC is registered under the Companies Act of England and Wales since 2006. It has operations across the globe to impact skill development activities through its structured plan and certification process. The knowledge partner ISDC will help Salesian College develop cutting-edge courses for BCom and BBA to be started in the academic year 2025-26. The new courses will be held in collaboration with UK-based ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, the global body for professional accountants, and IOA, Institute of Analytics, professional body for analytics and data science professionals in UK and international.
Singh reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College Autonomous Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri. Everest climber gracious annual sports meet. Abhishek, Kandulna, Department of Political Science, 4th semester reports.
The Sports Association of Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri organized the annual sports meet 2025 on 8th February. The heats for track and field events commenced on 4th February with male and female students from each deanery, namely Arts and Humanities, Commerce and Management, Social Sciences and Sciences, participating in various events. Numerous track, throw and team events were completed prior to the final day. The sports meet began with welcoming of chief guest and Everest climber Pradhan from Soreng, West Sikkim. The NCC parade was followed by the lighting of the Olympic torch by accomplished athletes of the college, after which the track events began in full swing, followed by team events which were most anticipated by everyone. Recreational events were also organized for the faculty members where the teachers participated and had a lot of fun. Rector Father Dr. Tommy Augustine and Chief Guest Pradhan handed over the medals and certificates to the participants. Rita Limbu from the Deanery of Social Sciences was declared the best female athlete, and Wangden Sherpa from the Deanery of Arts and Humanities was declared the best male athlete. The Best Deanery Award for the best performance in the annual sports meet went to the Deanery of Arts and Humanities.
Abhishek, Kandulna reporting. Siliguri. Students gain insight from IAS officer at Young India event. Priya, Daga, Jain, Department of English, 4th semester reports.
Students from Salesian College, Siliguri Autonomous attended the Young Indians talk session under the Confederation of Indian Industry at Courtyard Marriott, Siliguri. 4 students, accompanied by a faculty member, participated in the insightful event held on 1st February 2025. The session began at 7 p.m. with an engaging talk by Dr. Sanjeev Chopra, IAS, on From the Corridors of Power to the Pages of History. He addressed critical topics such as the importance of IAS and IPS, policy making, India's cultural ties with neighboring countries, and the impact of Article 370's abolition. He also stressed the importance of youth engagement in international relations. An interactive question-answer session saw active participation from the students, leading to an enriching discussion. The 90-minute event concluded with dinner gathering.
Priya, Daga, Jain reporting. Photo of the week. Motorbike seen parked at no parking for students area on Friday 7th February 2025. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by Global Reach, your preferred overseas education advisor. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.